Welcome to today's video, where we are exploring the best ways to make money in 2025 through side hustles that actually work and bring real income. The economy is shifting fast, and old job systems are not enough for financial freedom anymore. Side hustles give you control over your money, time, and opportunities. In this video, you'll discover 13 proven ways people are making money right now, and you can do the same starting today. Stay tuned until the end because hustle number 12 could change your financial future forever. Grab a notebook, take notes, and let's dive into these powerful money-making ideas. Freelancing. Online freelancing is one of the most flexible side hustles in 2025 because you can work from anywhere and set your own hours. You can sell skills like writing, coding, design, editing, marketing, voiceover, and customer support. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to connect with global clients who need help with projects. Even beginners can start with small tasks like transcription, social media posting, or simple website fixes. Every project you finish builds your profile, and positive reviews increase your chances of higher-paying jobs. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva speed up your workflow, so you can handle more clients in less time. Some freelancers scale to full-time businesses, earning six figures by creating small teams. If you want freedom, flexibility, and endless opportunities, freelancing should be your first step. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell customized products like shirts, hoodies, mugs, pillows, and phone cases without keeping inventory. Platforms like Redbubble, Printify, and Teespring take care of production, shipping, and customer service. Your job is to upload creative designs that appeal to specific groups of people. Niche markets like dog lovers, sports fans, and motivational quotes always sell well. You don't need to be a professional designer. Canva and AI design tools create stunning graphics for free. Once your design is online, it can sell repeatedly, giving you passive income even while you sleep. Many creators earn thousands of dollars every month by focusing on trending topics and evergreen designs. In 2025, AI-generated art makes it possible for beginners to start and scale quickly with little investment. Content creation. Content creation is one of the most profitable side hustles in today's digital age. You can build a personal brand by starting a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page around topics you enjoy. Niches like tech, travel, fitness, money, cooking, and gaming attract millions of viewers. Content creators earn money from ads, brand sponsorships, affiliate links, and selling their own products. In 2025, AI tools simplify script writing, editing, and even voiceovers, reducing the time it takes to create quality content. Posting consistently is the biggest secret to success because platforms reward creators who stay active. Many creators started small but now earn full-time incomes by building loyal audiences. Content creation is powerful because it creates influence, income, and long-term opportunities for growth. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is selling products online without storing inventory or managing shipping. You create an online store using Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, and connect with suppliers who deliver products to customers. Every time someone buys from your store, the supplier ships it directly, saving you time and money. The best-selling dropshipping products in 2025 are health gadgets, smart home tools, pet products, and trending TikTok items. Marketing is the key to success. Short videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels can generate thousands of sales quickly. Beginners can start small by testing one product at a time before expanding their store. Many dropshippers automate tasks using AI tools for product research, customer support, and ad campaigns. With the right strategy, dropshipping can turn into a full business earning six figures per year. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest yet most effective ways to make money online. You earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your unique affiliate link. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASali have affiliate programs covering thousands of products. You can promote products through YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, or even email newsletters. The best part is you don't need to create, ship, or handle products at all. In 2025, niches like AI tools, health supplements, fitness gear, and financial services are booming in affiliate sales. Building trust with your audience is key. People buy from those they believe are honest and reliable. Some affiliates earn six-figure incomes just by mastering product promotion and audience building. Online tutoring is in high demand as parents and students seek flexible education solutions. You can teach school subjects, languages, coding, music, or even personal skills like cooking. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Tutor.com connect tutors with students from all over the world. You don't need a teaching degree, just knowledge and the ability to explain things clearly. English tutoring remains one of the most profitable opportunities because it is always in demand worldwide. Tutors can charge hourly rates, and experienced tutors can earn premium fees. In 2025, online tutoring is even easier with video platforms, interactive whiteboards, and AI translation tools. If you love teaching and helping others, tutoring is a rewarding and flexible side hustle. Stock photography and videography businesses need professional-looking photos and videos for websites, ads, and social media. If you enjoy photography, you can upload your work to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Each time someone downloads your photo or video, you earn money. This is passive income because one good photo can sell hundreds of times over the years. In 2025, drone photography and high-quality short videos are especially in demand. You don't need expensive cameras to start. Modern smartphones are powerful enough for stock content. Building a large portfolio increases your chances of consistent monthly earnings. With patience and creativity, stock photography becomes a reliable long-term income stream. Social media management businesses know they need a strong online presence, but many don't have time to manage it. As a social media manager, you create posts, reply to comments, and run ads for clients. You can charge monthly fees, which creates steady recurring income. Popular platforms include Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Even beginners can start by using free tools like Canva for design and Buffer for scheduling posts. In 2025, AI tools help you generate captions, images, and ideas, saving hours of work. Small businesses, local stores, and startups are always looking for affordable social media managers. If you enjoy being creative and engaging online, this is one of the easiest hustles to grow quickly. Online reselling is buying low and selling high. It's that simple. You can find cheap products at thrift stores, garage sales, clearance racks, or wholesale suppliers. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace make reselling easy. Products like vintage clothes, sneakers, electronics, and collectibles are always profitable. In 2025, sneakers, retro fashion, and gaming gear are some of the top resale categories. Resellers use apps to check product values before buying, ensuring they get good deals. With practice, reselling becomes a skill where you know what items sell fast. Some people turn reselling into a six-figure business by scaling their inventory. Blogging is still alive in 2025 and remains one of the best long-term side hustles. A blog allows you to share your knowledge and attract readers through Google search. You can monetize with display ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. Blogs in niches like finance, travel, health, and technology do extremely well. SEO helps your blog rank higher and bring free traffic every day. AI writing tools can help you create articles faster, but you must add your personal touch. The best part is blogs grow over time. One good article can bring traffic for years. Many bloggers start as a side hustle and eventually turn it into a full business. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise, you can turn your knowledge into an online course or ebook. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to upload content and sell worldwide. Courses on business, digital skills, self-improvement, and finance are some of the top sellers in 2025. Ebooks are great for niches like health, productivity, motivation, and personal growth. Once you create a course or ebook, it can sell again and again, making passive income. You don't need to be a professional, just organize your knowledge into lessons. AI tools can help create slides, edit videos, or even design ebook covers. This side hustle can scale into a full-time business if marketed correctly. Podcasting is one of the fastest growing content formats because people love listening while multitasking. You can create a podcast about topics you enjoy like finance, self-growth, health, or storytelling. Income comes from sponsorships, affiliate promotions, and listener support. Podcasts build strong trust with audiences because it feels like a personal conversation. Starting a podcast requires only a microphone and free editing software like Audacity. In 2025, AI tools help with audio editing, script generation, and marketing. Many podcasters use social media to grow their audience and bring in advertisers. Podcasting is a long-term side hustle, but with consistency, it can generate steady revenue.